Hi everyone, this is Grace of GB Maltese, and today is the day I am going to frame this gorgeous rose, crystalline red roses and pomegranate diamond painting. It is just gorgeous. Look at the shine. This is by Rainy Day Diamonds, and she has an Etsy store now, which is Blushing Blackbird. I will put the link below. Her new roses kits. If you'll notice, this black part, they're just black drills, but they are very shiny. But the new ones now have black crystallines instead of just black drills. She also said that the leaves come forward more, so I can't wait to see what those are going to look like. But I finally decided on a frame, but I had some people ask me, how do I get these edges off? So I thought I'd just show you very quickly. I've done the others. I use a pair of very sharp scissors, and I just cut it very slowly and carefully. I just kind of just take my time cutting once I get it going. I'm just making sure I don't cut into the diamonds, but I'm cutting right up next to them, as you can see, because I don't want any of the white to be showing. If you prefer, you could put black tape to cover it, but I didn't want to have to get an extra large frame for that part, so I cut this so that I can get the a frame for this size. And this is a 50 by 70, and a 50 by 70 you would need a 20-inch by 28-inch frame. Well, I saw several 20-inch by 28-inch frames, but the one I fell in love with, I could get it in a 22 by 28, and that's what I did. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to make up for that the extra inches that are going to be on the side. So I'm going to finish clipping this off, and I'll be right back. I have this black poster board, and it measures exactly 22 by 28 inches. It's just one I picked up from Walmart for, let's see if we can get you back in focus here, for, I believe it was 96 cents. So, very good price on that. What I'm going to do is lay this on top. I don't have any double stick tape, nothing on either side at this point. I've decided what I'm going to do is to get it in place where I want it, exactly where it will look good to me. Let me kind of let you see what I'm doing. Hope you can see all this okay. Alright, so I'm thinking this is pretty close. I'm just eyeballing it, and it looks straight to me. If I need to, I could measure, but that looks pretty darn close. And if someone is going to measure my painting in its frame, then they probably have more problems than I do. Okay, I am using this X-Fasten double stick tape. This is what I like to use, and I ordered this from Amazon. Now, I do have a link to my Amazon store below, and it is an affiliate link. I earn maybe a few pennies if you use that link. If you don't want to use that link, you can go purchase it wherever, however you want to do it. But I just like to be able to let you, without me having to, you having to ask. I'll just have it on there, and then you would pull the other side off. So I'm going to put this on. each side at the bottom. I'm looking down here, and that looks pretty straight. So I'm going to put the other one, I'm going to lift this edge up and just stick it right here before I start putting all the other edges on. So you're going to pull the backing off. You don't need to watch me do that. I'll be back once I have it done. Okay, I have these two bottom pieces down, and as you can see, the picture's not going to move. At this point, I'm going to just turn my canvas like this, and I'm going to put more strips down here. It doesn't need a lot. This tape is quite strong, so just take your tape, put your pieces on, and I'm going to show you a really easy way to get the backing off this. If it doesn't work while I'm doing this, oh well. I like to use these sharp tweezers that you can usually get from Evermoment and some other places. They have very, very sharp points. You can put it underneath. You just kind of slide it up underneath the white top. Well, you know what? There it goes. And just, it's off. So it comes off very easily. I'm going to go ahead and put some more strips, then put this back down, and I'll be back with you again. Okay, I have my strips of tape on here. I put just a real short one there. And I'm going to lay this down. And just pat it in place. As I said, this is very, very sticky. I believe they use it to hold some carpet down. So it's not going anywhere, as you can see. It is on there nice and secure. Now it's ready to put inside the frame, and I'm going to get my frame out. This is one, oh, before I get to that, I did sleep with this underneath my mattress for a couple of weeks. What I do is just get an old cardboard box, a big one, and cut it and just make it like a sandwich and put this is the filling of the sandwich, and I have this and other diamond paintings in there. It's a way you can store your paintings, and it also helps to get the drills on there more securely. So just an easy way. You don't have to worry about looking for books. As you can see, it's on there tight. It's not coming up. So that's an easy way to do that. I also cleaned this off. What I used was this. You can use a toothbrush, plain toothbrush, and this came from the Container Store, just a soft brush. And this is Haggerty Crystal Care, and you can use it for your glasses, your smartphone, whatever. So if you have something that is similar to that, you could use that. I just sprayed it onto this. It just comes out in semi-foam, and then I just went around and just cleaned it off to get any hairs or whatever was on there. So it is now ready to go in the frame. Most of my frames come from Amazon, and this is the one that I chose. I thought it would pick out some of these colors that are in here, down here. So we're going to find out. As I said, the picture was bit too small this way for the frame, so that's why I used the poster board. So let's see what happens. I'm going to get all of this out. This is a very lightweight frame, and I'm going to put this in my Amazon store that I have linked before. All the things that I use, I put in my Amazon store so that you can find them and you don't have to bother asking me. If I forget to put it in there, just say, would you please link whatever it is that I mentioned in the store. Now the this that I showed you is not from Amazon. This is the Container Store, but you could probably find something similar, or you may have your own way of cleaning yours. So you probably don't want to watch me do this part, so I'm going to go, and when you get this one is not glass. It's I forget, some kind of acrylic, and there is a film on both sides. Make sure you take the film off of both sides, or yeah, it won't be clear. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I have the plastic pieces pulled off of that frame, and it's just clear as it can be. You have a cardboard piece that you would measure the size of your painting to make sure it fits exactly. And as I put this on here, I see that this poster board and the cardboard are the same size. So I have no cutting to do on this one that I can see. So I'm going to put it in the frame, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, we'll lay this down. Just need to work around some of these little tabs that stick up. Just take your time. Smooth it down. Okay, looks like it's in there. Now I'm going to put this cardboard piece down. Again, have to watch out for those little tabs. Sometimes they like to catch a little bit. Then the last thing I'm going to do is I have a butter knife that I was using, and I'm going to use this. That's what I used to pull them up. I'm just going to use that to push it down, just like that. Very simple. This is such an easy way to frame your paintings. I can't remember. I think I paid, probably 30 something. I can't remember exactly what I paid for this frame. It was a bigger frame. It cost a little bit more. It's in the 30s. I'll have to look the price up, and it will be in my store so you can see. But it is much cheaper than having someone do it. You could also look for frames like this at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, or other online stores. I just like Amazon because I can normally find the color and the size that I want, and the prices are good. So I'm anxious to see how this is going to look once it's turned over. Be a surprise for the two of us to see if I did okay. Now, here we go. Oh, yes, I think I do like this. I think it picked up this color of the parts in the pomegranates up nicely. Let me set it up and put you up a little bit so I can, let me back up a little bit. Let's see if you can kind of see it. This is pretty big. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, I do like the frame. It is just beautiful. It looks gorgeous with these flowers. You can see a little bit of yellow hint in the highlights of those roses. I'm right underneath my lights, so that's going to make it, I'll do it kind of sideways. Oh yeah, see how well you can see the shine of those crystals? And when you hang something up, you don't hang it right up underneath a light. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. I do love it. Yes, I do. I really, really like it a lot. Let me put you back down. Maybe you can see it even better like that. I'll kind of pick you up a little bit. Oh yes. I think it just came out beautifully. And without spending a fortune. Yes. This is going to look gorgeous. This would make a lovely gift for anyone. If you wanted to give it for Christmas. I'm keeping it for myself at this point. I love this one. This such a beautiful, beautiful piece. And I will put a link to Christina's store, who owns Rainy Day Diamonds. And yeah, I do. I love the way this frame came out. I have pretty much always been happy. It took me a long time to decide, but I think that it looks pretty good. I do. Tell me what you think. Keep looking at it. I'm sorry. I'll tell you what, I'm going to move this back. I'm going to move my camera back a little bit. I'm going to come back this way a little bit and see. Wait. The table wants to be in the way. I can't quite get it all the way in the camera, but you can see that part. It's beautiful. Wow. Just gorgeous. Wow. I love it. I think what I'll do is I'll set it up against something and then I'll show it to you that way and you can see it better. Anyway, framing your paintings is not difficult. Please don't be scared to do it. It's really very simple. And if you have any questions, please leave them below. If you'd like me to show something else about the framing, I can show you. I have a couple of other paintings I need to frame that I'll do. So this is the one that I have really couldn't wait to frame. I can't stop looking at it. Okay, I'm going to set it up against something so I can show it to you. Maybe the whole thing. Hold on. Okay, here it is. I have it kind of propped up on my couch where you can see it a little better. Of course, it's showing everything else around, and yes, I'm knocking all kinds of things over. I have so much stuff in my craft room, it's not even funny, but I just love it. I'm going to have to, and there's Bogey. Hey Bogey, what are you doing? He's always in here pretty much all the time if I'm filming. He doesn't want to leave his mama. There you go. I hope that's not going to make you seasick when I turn that around. I don't know what it's going to do. Yeah, Bogey says hello to everyone. And it does, this kit does come with a little framing kit. I like to use commando strips. Anyway, I'm going to leave you looking at this beautiful picture. And I hope you're having a beautiful, blessed day. And that you're having fun doing whatever it is that you enjoy doing. Love you guys. Remember to tell the people around you you love them. Take care. Bye.